Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Apex Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu, and to open the menu, press the middle button right here. Once the menu opens, you can use or rather rotate the middle button to scroll through the menu, because it's a rotating digital crown. So scroll through the menu, select the system option, and then press the crown button to enter. Now scroll through the menu, again by rotating the crown button, find the option called more settings, and then press the middle button to enter. And here, scroll through the menu, find the option called reset all, select it, and then press the middle button. And as you can see, here we need to press the middle button again to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's do it. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.